Hey everybody, my name is Glenn and I want to welcome you guys to my channel. And normally about this time I'd be showing you guys something cool that I just cooked and preparing to teach you guys a cool recipe. But today we're going to do something a little bit different, so stick around. So recently a company called ACVC contacted me and asked me to do a product review for them. And that product review is on these really cool new barbecue lights. So this is a brand new product by them, and I did make sure to tell them that if they were going to be sending me these lights and wanted me to do a review on them, it was going to be an honest review. So nobody is going to be reviewing this video before I upload it. These are all just my own opinions. But let's go ahead and get into the review. So before I show you guys these really cool lights, click them on there. I'm going to show you a few of the accessories. So they come in a plastic case, which is not extremely durable. This isn't something that you're going to be able to run your car over and have these lights survive, but it is a decent case. I mean, it's got latches all the way around on it, and inside the case it's got like this foam insulation to hold the lights in place. So I mean, if you're going camping or something like that, this is going to serve its purpose and do very well to keep them in their place and keep them fairly protected. And then they also come with these really cool clamps. These are heavy duty ABS plastic, and these clamps will definitely hold these lights to whatever you're able to get these clamps around. I have no doubt that these things will hand up very well because it is very solid plastic. And it also comes with a few extra grips and stuff like that for these. But the fact that at this price point, which currently these sell for about $20 on Amazon, the fact that they come with any accessories at this price point is pretty amazing. I'll have a link down in the description below for these lights. That is not an affiliate link, but you can pick up these lights. Again, at this point they're about $20 on Amazon. But let me go ahead and show you these lights now. First of all, you can see they're pretty bright. I mean, I don't know how well you can see on the camera, but they have 10 LEDs in each one of these lights. Total, they put out 100 lumens for each light, which is pretty good. That's pretty bright. There was a time where 100 lumens on LEDs was amazing, but they put out 100 LEDs. It is an aluminum alloy body, so very well built. I mean, it's not plastic. This is a good solid metal that is very well built. It's got this flexible head on it that you can, I mean, bend in just about any position, and these things are gonna stay. They also the top part where the LEDs are at are plastic, but it doesn't feel like a super cheap plastic. I mean, it might scratch up a little bit. There's, just from moving them around, there's kind of a few little scuffs, but nothing major. Not something that you're gonna put directly over the flame on your barbecue grill, because you're gonna melt that. The specs say that they are able to withstand up to 150 degrees, but anything with batteries in it, you're not gonna wanna put that in extreme heat anyways. So, again, you do wanna be cautious on that. But they are very well built, and that plastic doesn't feel like it's something that's going to break cheaply. They are weather resistant. They're not weatherproof, so you can't go dropping these in the lake or something like that and pull them out and have them still working. But like around the base here for the batteries, it does have like a weather seal on it. The on and off switch there, which feels like a very good on and off switch. It doesn't feel like it's something that's gonna give out. That also has a weather sealing on it, and I believe this top part does here as well. It takes 3 AAA batteries to power this light, which at 100 lumens and 10 LEDs, that should last you quite some time. And one of the other cool features about this, which I was very impressed with, is it has a very strong magnet on the bottom of these lights. Now, I've had other LEDs, lots of different types of working lights and stuff like that have magnets on the bottom of them, and honestly, most of them have been junk. You stick it on something and it's sliding down or it's falling off, but the magnet is very strong. I mean, you can see here, this is a pretty, heavy kitchen knife. This is not a cheap, kitchen knife. It's got some good weight to it and it's not letting go. And I mean, it's very, very strong. So this magnet is going to stick to whatever you stick it on. And you can use it for other things besides just, barbecue grilling. I mean, on the package here, they even show it as more of a tactical light, even though it is geared towards, barbecue grillers. But I mean, you can stick this under the hood of your car and work on your car if you wanted to. So very well built, very pleased with the build quality on this. And again, for the price point, the fact that you get 2 of them at that price, that's amazing, because there's not a whole lot of places that you can go and be able to get 2 good quality lights for $20. So and then plus the fact that it comes with the accessories. So they sent me these lights and I wanted to give you guys my review on them, but I also thought it was perfect timing because I just recently hit 100 subscribers on my channel, which I was extremely surprised that somebody even contacted me to do a product review. But that's amazing. That's awesome. And it's perfect timing because I did just hit 100 subscribers, and that's all of you guys. And so I thought it's perfect, even though I would really like to keep these lights because they are really cool. And I just recently showed them to a friend and he thought they were really cool and said he'd like to have them. But I thought it would be even cooler to give back to you guys. Without you guys, I wouldn't have this channel. You guys are the ones that are always leaving awesome comments and encouraging me to keep moving along on these videos, because I do spend a lot of time doing this. I have a lot of fun doing it. I enjoy doing it, but it is also a lot of work, and you guys keep me encouraged in doing that. And so I thought it'd be really cool to be able to give these back to you guys, especially since I know a lot of my subscribers out there are barbecue guys. I watch many of your guys' videos too, and so this is a cool thing to be able to pass on to some of you guys. So it's my way of saying thank you. And there is a couple conditions for this. There's a link down below onto how you can enter this giveaway. First condition is you do have to be subscribed. Again, this is to show my appreciation to my subscribers. If you're subscribing now, that's fine. As long as you're subscribed at the time that the giveaway happens, which will be February 15th. So depending on how long it takes me to get this video edited and get it uploaded, it should leave you roughly about 2 weeks. But the second condition is it's only open to people in the US. So I do apologize. I know I have a few subscribers that are overseas, and you guys have some really cool videos, and I would like to be able to give this to one of you guys, but unfortunately it is open to people only in the US. So in that link you'll find it'll have you verify that you're subscribed. You'll get entries for that. And the cool thing is every single day between now and February 15th, you'll have the opportunity to visit that link again and get bonus entries for that. So those bonus entries are going to increase your chances of winning. And I would ask, please share this video with whoever you know might like these or might be able to use them. That helps the channel out, and also we'll have the opportunity to bless somebody with these lights. So please share that link as well. I mean, I can think of a few people on my channel that can use these lights. I know one specifically who has a Blackstone grill that doesn't have very good lighting out there. He even mentioned it in one of his videos. But you know, this is an opportunity that you can have to be able to win those and change that. And they have so many different uses. I mean, but the color temperature that I use to record is daylight, and these are rated at 5300 to 6300 Kelvin, which is daylight. So I mean, you can even use these for different filming stuff to kind of shadow some of your filming techniques. But you know, so many different uses for those lights, and I'm sure a lot of you guys out there would really like to have it. So make sure you visit that link, get your entries in, and I will see you guys on the next video. If you guys have any questions at all, please leave it down in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys around. Thanks for watching.